Okay, fam. This is your big brother from GLK. We are about to go out to the yard and tend to the pack. Yep, that's what we're getting ready to do right now. We're tending to the pack. And as you guys can see, hold on a second. As you guys can see, I got on my yellow hoodie because we ain't had sun in Michigan since Little House was on the prairie and Michael Landon was alive. Just a little bit here and there. So I'm trying to brighten up the atmosphere with my yellow hoodie. And as we go out and deal with the pack. Yep. It's a little brighter out today than it has been. The sun, as you can see, the clouds are covering the sun. And we're out here with the pack. Piper is weaning. I'm weaning Piper off of the children. They are, sucking on her like one time a day, periodically throughout the day. Like each and every day. Move. Down. They're nursing. She's nursing them periodically throughout the day. Come on, Pipe. What? One time in the day. Look at you. Look at what you just did. Yeah, so we are here, girl. Pipe. Here. Down. Here. Down. What I say? Here. Jumping all on me, getting me dirty. She's looking for her. Stop. She's looking for her kids. And they looking for her. Because they ain't seen her all night. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get her food. Move. She's so hard-headed, trying to get to her children. So, this is what we do every day until these pups have found their forever homes. January 19th. Move. Cut it out. Yeah, it's dark in here. It's real dark in here. It's real dark. Yeah, it's real dark in here right now. But here's our food. They're not going to be... I'm not tending to them right now. I'm tending to her. Because she needs to put her weight back on. Because you know how it is with the puppy process. The puppy process, they suck the mama dry. We are putting her weight back on right now. Yeah. So, yeah, she's excited about her food. Here you go. Come on. She gets special treats. There you go. And I get to let her eat. Then I'll let the pups out. But I'll be back, fam. I'll be right back to share with you guys the interaction with her and her children.